In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disable restricted mode here on YouTube in 2026. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but you can do this on an iPhone, Android, Samsung, really any mobile device. But before starting, just make sure that your YouTube app is fully updated. You can back out, go into your App Store or Google Play Store, just search for YouTube and then update it if it is needed. When it is updated though, open up the YouTube app and from here, tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right corner. After that, simply go ahead and select the little settings gear up in the very top and hit general up at the very top again. If you scroll down, you're going to see restricted mode on here. If it's toggled on, simply go ahead and toggle it off and YouTube will go back to normal and you'll be able to view all the comments and content again. Once again, this works on iPhone, Android, Samsung, and even PC. The steps are all the exact same. But that is how you can disable restricted mode. I will say if you are on mobile, you may have to fully close out of YouTube and reopen it up in order to actually see those changes take effect. So just keep that in mind. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.